Hi everyone, my name is Shreekutty. I'm working as a psychologist in Tamil Nadu. So through this video, first of all, I would like to thank Satish, who gave me more information and who helped me to understand better about naturopathy and the holistic treatment. Telling about my story, from January 2019 onwards, I was having pain in my both of my breast. So I was experiencing pain on and off. It wasn't a very bad pain that wasn't tolerable. It was kind of a tolerable pain, but I was having it. So it was going on like that, and I was like confused like what to do, because from 2016 I was having a lump on my left breast, and I was taking the ultrasound scan every 6 months to understand whether it is growing, whether it is dangerous or something like that. So thankfully, the lump wasn't growing and there wasn't any difference in the other characteristics of the lump. So from January, I was having pain on both the breast. So I didn't suspect that it is because of the lump or anything. So I was confused. On July, I went for the ultrasound scan because it was 6 months by that time. So in the ultrasound scan, my lump was fine. There wasn't any change in the size of the lump. It was the same, but there were few cysts on my both the breast. So the cyst was benign cyst only, so it wasn't any malignant or cancer featuring cyst. But another thing that was notable in that was there were lymph nodes, like multiple lymph nodes under my both the armpits. So the person who did this scan, sonologist, she didn't tell me anything. She just told me that if you are still having the pain, you can go to a breast clinic. So back I came back and I went to my gynecologist, and then with my gynecologist I discussed about this lymph nodes. Then she asked me like, she told me like, if you're too much confused, you can just take a fine needle biopsy of the lymph nodes. And for the breast pain, she asked me to take some pills, like some hormonal pills, so that it will. I don't know whether it was hormonal pills. She asked me to take a painkiller, and also she prescribed me some pills, but I didn't buy the pills, so I don't have much knowledge about the pills. So that time I was really confused, like what to do. Like as a person, when I heard about fine needle biopsies and all, like many thoughts came to my mind. I was so confused regarding what to do. Then I checked my ESR, then a complete checkup was done, and in that everything was fine except my ESR, which was 40. My ESR value was 40. Apart from that, everything was fine. Then I was like so much confused, and I was searching in the internet regarding like what are the treatments, or I wanted to try something. So then I came across Satish video, and I took the phone number from it and I called him, and Satish was very helpful to me. He just apart from giving the tips, he just encouraged me, and for all my queries, like I'm a person who have like hundreds of queries whenever I encounter something or whenever I try something. So he had to answer for all my queries, all my doubts, and then I started his way of treatment. So the way of treatment was purely like reducing my carbohydrate intake, and not carbohydrate intake, like eating raw. It was the basic thing, and eating raw and taking carrot juices. And so the cooked food, so acidic food was very low. Like my lunch was some acidic food, and rest all I was eating raw and like drinking juices. Then the juices that he told me, so it was strictly on his diet. After 1 week, I checked my blood levels, and my I had a low hemoglobin also. I had like 10.8 was my value. So after 1 week of his diet, I checked my blood and my hemoglobin came to 12.5, and my ESR come down to 24, from 40 to 24 in a week. Uh, And so that was like, initially at that time I was confused whether it was the effect of the medicine, it was the effect of the things that I was taking, or like whether I had some infections and my infection came down by that time. So I had a lot of confusion. So I didn't wanted to blindly trust it and tell to someone like this treatment helped me, even though I was conveying the better results with Satish. But with Satish it was fine, but when I tell to a group of people, I wanted more reliable things. So I just waited for it. Then for 2 months I was completely following the diet for 2 months, completely following. But I was feeling a decrease in my breast pain. Then my breast pain used to come before my periods alone, after my periods, or some like particular point. It wasn't throughout my cycle. Then after 3 months, I had like my pain has subsided and I was feeling so better. Before I used to feel so tired, but my tiredness, I became a very active person and I was so positive in everything. Then subsequently we feel that we are healthy and I started dripping off my things. That month, it is the third month, like July had started. July came to know, August, September, July I started it. July, August, I was able to do complete, like loyal, I was completely loyal to my diet. But from September, July and August I did it. September I just came out of my diet. But I was so surprised that from September, from August itself, I was feeling change in my breast pain, and completely disappeared after July. July, all month I was getting it on and off, but it completely disappeared from July and August, September. Even though I wasn't following the diet completely, but this month also I didn't had any breast pain. I didn't took any medicines. I was just following what Satish told me to follow. I like I don't know how to tell it, but for like from January I was having this breast pain, and my doctor told that it is because of the cyst, and cyst is compressing and you are having this pain. So she didn't tell me like whether it will go, or she was prescribing me medicines. But now I don't feel any sort of pain in my breast. No pain, no tenderness, nothing. I'm perfectly all right. Adding to this, when I was having this problem, I asked my husband. My husband was also having a creatinine level of 1.4, which was in the border level. Like some places it is 1.3 is normal, 1.4. Then he also started what Satish told, but he wasn't able to do completely with the diet because he is working in a sector where he have to spend a lot of time in the office. So he wasn't able to be loyal with the diet, but to the maximum. When we try not eating from outside, all the fried items we avoided, then some of the juices that we started taking, carrots and all the stuff, his creatine level came down to 1.2. So that was like our nephrologist told that it won't come down, it will go up only, but we can reduce the intensity how it goes up. But it came down, and definitely he'll make a video and post on it. So the point that I'm coming to tell from this is, the for the problems that I had, there was a solution. I don't know, like for my husband also, something that other doctors told that it won't come down, it also came down. So I feel that when I was following the diet and my husband was following the diet, we were more healthy, and like I was able to feel the changes in it. Like I was able to feel changes in how my body was responding to other foreign materials. Like everyone in the place where I'm working, everyone used to get fever on and off and all. That time it was like a seasonal change was happening here, because rain was coming and it was so sunny, and in between rains were coming, and many people got many fever and many problems. But I was so even though like I was a person who used to get these problems very fast, but during these 3 months I never got a fever, even though the people, everyone around working around me was having. As I'm working in hospital, we used to see patients daily. We used to uh, interact with people over there, and there are many but I don't know, thankfully I didn't get exposed to any fever or any kind of stuffs during that period when I was following the diet. So if you wanted to know more about it, you can contact Satish. He has a YouTube channel, Nature Care with uh, Cure with Naturopathy. So you can look into this YouTube channel, and definitely it would be eye-opening to everyone. And uh, if you can give it a try for a week, like I tried, and if it is working for you, then you can continue it. So thank you, Satish, and I'm very glad that if you also try it and if you can make a difference, we can work together to help many. Thank you.